Hi, I'm Bob Sorsel. I'm in Seattle, Washington, and we're gonna ride Chilly Hilly. Enjoy! This year, I used the new Marion Street pedestrian bridge to access the new ferry terminal at Coleman Dock in Seattle. This was the 7th time I've ridden Chilly Hilly, and it's been an annual tradition for me ever since I moved to the Pacific Northwest in 2017. I rode today with my friend Andrew, who's done it a few times now. By the way, you should check out Hanek's vlog of his Chilly Hilly experience over at Best Side Cycling. Even after doing this ride many times, it hasn't gotten old for me. The turns and climbs may stay the same, but there are always new and familiar people to meet along the way, and I notice different parts of the scenery each time. Halfway through the ride at Battle Point Park, they ran out of my favorite peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, so I quit. Just kidding, there were plenty of other delicious snacks to help me refuel. The toughest climb on the ride is Baker Hill, which takes at least a couple of minutes to ascend. There were some strong headwinds coming off of Port Orchard. After crossing the finish line, it was time for some tasty chili. Before we headed to the ferry, there was someone I wanted to visit. Back at the Bainbridge ferry terminal, it was time to head back home to Seattle. Thanks for joining me on this Chilly Hilly ride. If you want to see more of my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.